All right, so I just received my Xbox One. Nope, my Xbox Series X in the mail, or as I'm calling it, the XX, because Xbox Series X, the XX. So you can all coin that term. I don't know if anybody else is calling it that, but I am calling it the XX. And mine has a nice little dent at the top corner. So hope that doesn't mess anything up. But let's take a look at the box. You got a little sand in the eyes, a little dirt in the eyes, kicked in your eyes, because we are not getting Halo this year. And then the breakdown. Just the XX on the front. And the XX in the controller on the side. I guess the lighting isn't all that great. Huh. It's a black box. I mean, what can you say? I have flash on. I just don't think it cares about the flash. What's going on here? Is there any way to make this look better? I guess not. Well, I'm going to open it anyway. You can see my hand, sort of. I don't know. I'm going to open it anyway. Let's see what happens. So, and something tells me I'm going to have to open both sides. Whoop. Alright, so how does this bad boy... Oh, there's more stuff right here. Whoop, whoop. Okay. So... okay, so it's this way. Cool. Power your dreams. So this is smaller than I thought it was, but it's still pretty big. I just don't think that this is gonna fit under my TV. But let's see what we got here. Got this tab to come off. I'll get a better view of this. I'll pick up the camera in a sec, but let's get all this taken off. And there is the XX right there. There is the XX right there. That's the one side of it. That's the bottom. That's the back. That's the side. And that's the other bottom. And then the top, which has all the green stuff in it and the big giant fan. Okay. So let's see what else we get in the box. We get the power cable. Surprise, surprise. Okay. Open that up. We get an HDMI cord. Okay, that might be nice to have. Alright, what's down here? We got the legalese stuff. Nothing special. Ugh, it doesn't smell good at all. Ugh. Usually I like stuff that ugh. Don't smell that. It doesn't smell good. Like I usually like to smell things like that. Because usually like the manufacturer it smells good, but like not this. Ugh. That didn't smell good. It smelled like fish oil. Ugh. Alright, so here's the first time I'm seeing the controller in person. Ooh. Okay, so this is the controller. It's very nice. I like it. And then it's got like texture on the inside. That's really nice. And ooh. It's even got a texture on the trigger. Very nice. Cool. Alright, what else we got? I don't know if what's down here is anything. I don't want to miss anything. No, these are just platforms? Okay. This box really doesn't smell good. Like, this is probably the worst smelling box I've ever opened. Usually, like, the manufacturers make things smell nice. Ugh, this smells really bad. I don't I know it's a weird thing, but I don't recommend smelling anything in this box. And then this stuff. But you usually get like a free like Xbox Live membership type thing. Huh. And also get some batteries. So what bullshit brand of batteries are these? So they almost look like Duracell. Look at that. They're meant to look like Duracell, but they're definitely not. Oh, wait. Oh, they are. Not for resale. Huh. So, I stand corrected. Let me... So, this is the XX. Now we're going to see what happens when I try placing it under my TV. So, my hair's probably going to look horrible, so don't mind me. But I'm going to move all this stuff to the side. Pick up my cardigan, put them over here. I'm going to do this. Move all this stuff over. All these guys are about to fall anyway, so I'm going to pick them up and put them off to the side. Master Chief. My shelf space is about to go away. But I'm going to push this back just a little bit. I can't push it back a little bit, but I can move this way. Alright. Let's see. Ooh. Ooh. Like a glove. Is it going to scrape it all? No. Huh. Look at that space. Like a glove, man. It's still a little higher than I would have wanted it to be. But it fits. Compared to the X-Bone though. It's a little taller. It towers over the collectibles I had on top. All right, but I'm happy with that. I gotta dust. But yeah, that's my Xbox Series X unboxing, and you guys got to see, like me, if it fit or not, and it does, with minimal space to spare. So I hope this thing's good. I hope it's easy to transfer all my shit from the X-Bone to the XX, but I guess we'll see in the coming hours. You'll see me next time.